Hi folks, Cam Hawkins here from Trading Up. We've got Max Shilo here on the show. Now, we've just done a hour and 5 minute interview with Max, found out exactly how he trades the markets, approaches trading, and his journey to date. Great interview. Head over there, tradingnut.com. There should be links under the video if you're not already here on tradingnut.com. Now, Max, so today you're going to walk us through some stuff on a price chart. We haven't gone through it, so you're going to surprise me a bit. So over to you.
Yeah, just a couple of charts that I would like to show you guys. Aussie dollar, as discussed or as mentioned previously, I see that this one could be sold off because here's the pattern, sort of the channel that we're trading in, and here this double top. This is the nature of the price action. So at the moment, so essentially breaking the previous high, which is here, then retracing, then breaking this previous high. So this kind of price nature ascending, if it will correct, it can, if it breaks the previous high, the double top here, it's actually a good sign. And because this is the psychology of the market, everyone now thinks that this is sort of, it was a resistance, now it's broken, now we're going up, but then we're going straight back down and correcting and making a first sort of correction, which this is my bread and butter. I want to get involved in this first correction here, and then we're moving down. And actually, even though the daily looks like we're going up, maybe this could be a bigger double bottom. It could be, no one knows exactly, but I think this has a great chance of being sold out, and this could go all the way down to here, which is a target of these kind of channels anyway. But this here is a Euro JPY, which is on a daily, a beautiful impulse up. Then these impulses, guys, is where you want to be, where you want to get involved in the markets, but you never know when they will be coming. And this to me is a beautiful bull flag. So even though this nice impulse was a indication that if we will sort of create a nice pattern here, then we could be selling off from this third touch here, but we didn't. So at the moment we broke out of the pattern. We did a double bottom here. We corrected, which is another pattern that I really like to trade, is a double top with a ascending nature. So can you imagine this sort of price action, which is showing its weakness? It's showing that it wants to go up. Can you imagine that it's going to break this bigger 1, 2, 3 touch pattern and a double top? I think it's very unlikely. So I didn't get involved in this, but actually what I did get involved was this here, because I saw that this 1, 2, 3, in order to break this kind of a price structure, we need to have a pattern. So it's to me it's very hard to break this whole pattern just straight with an impulse. This clearly was a really impulsive move, but in order to break, to me it's a kind of a rule. In order to break either pattern, we need to have a pattern. So this, to me, it wasn't unsustainable that we will break straight through. It's basically impossible. So we need to either 1, 2, 3 touch pattern, like a consolidation here, but now it seems that the price is going up. So I expect another impulse here, and if we will see any kind of a consolidation or any kind of a flag, it could be another impulsive move to the upside based on how the daily looks like. So essentially impulse correction, and now we can go to this sort of highs here, either the first inflection point here or second inflection point here. So I think it's a decent move to the upside in general. So yeah, just a couple of charts or the thought process how I'm seeing the markets.
Yeah, fantastic stuff. Now, guys, if you want to sort of fill in the blanks here, head over to the podcast we've just recorded, because Max goes through how he sets the stops, takes profit and all that sort of stuff, and you're going to find out how to do that. And we also talk about another strategy you quickly mentioned at the end of the show as well. Now, before we wrap up, what's the best way for the guys to get hold of you?
Yeah, just actually, you can even check my account here on TradingView. I used to make sort of kind of educational videos daily, but now I don't do them as much because I'm quite involved in other projects and just trading on myself, because I think when I was doing them, then I was sort of like biased. I had to prove my sort of opinion on the real market as well, and it wasn't the best way to approach the market, because I was too maybe biased after I made the video. But Maximilian would just replace the last O with a 0, and you'll find me anywhere on social media, starting from Instagram, coming to Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever you name it, I'm there.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much once again, Max, for coming on the show. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure for sure. Thanks, Cam.